This is a review of the Chiknow Instant Read Meat Thermometer, and the brand did send me a free one so I can check it out and create this video. Now, before we take it outside and stick it in some meat and show you how quickly and accurately this thing works, I wanted to run through some of the features. Now, the nice thing about this, it's made out of a very durable and tough material. You can see how strong it is here. It's also waterproof. Now, the other nice thing about this is it turns on automatically. You can see as soon as you extend here, there you go. It's a big LED 2-inch screen, which is very nice and easy to read. You can also toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius by long pressing here. There you go. Now we're in Celsius mode. So let's take it outside now and see how this thing works. You can see putting it into this hamburger, how quickly and accurately this thing reads. It's the perfect size, the perfect weight, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who enjoys eating meat.